The Week of Contemporary Philosophy at the Cherkasy State Technical University is a system of lectures and discussions. Ability to get acquainted with unique speakers. For example, the subject of the discussion, the Rotary Peace Initiative for Ukraine. The event was attended by representatives of Cherkasy public organizations, students, journalists, government officials, intellectuals. Special guest of the event is Dirk Lustig, newly elected head of the Ukrainian District Rotary Peacebuilding Committee, the official UN speaker. The lector presented the points of the Peacebuilding Program in Ukraine. He told about the importance of each item of the program. Succeeded to create a dialogue. This dialogue will be the foundation for further work of the Peacebuilding Program in Ukraine. Initiators of the meeting: Angela Boyko, Doctor of Philosophy, Professor, Head of the Department of Philosophy and Political Science of Cherkasy State Technical University, President of the Rotary Club Cherkasy 2019-2020 of the Rotary Club Cherkasy and mentor for the Rotaract Club Cherkasy. And Olha Palichuk, Medical Doctor, Professor of Medical Sciences, Gynecologist-Oncologist, Head of the Regional Preventive and Medical Advisory Screening Center, Women's Health of the Cherkasy Regional Oncological Center. President of the Rotary Club Cherkasy 50516, 2018-2019, Club Foundation Chair, 2017-2020, District 2232 Rotary Community Service Committee Chair 2019-2020. Rotary Club Cherkasy and its members usually actively participate in the Rotary movement. Different events in Ukraine help in realization successful projects for Cherkasy community together with Rotaract Club Cherkasy and are always open for cooperation. Combining efforts gives impressive results.
Show and sponsor Rotary Club Dnipro City. Service humanity since 1997. Join the multiplying of good deeds.